Hi, Jenny here with another honest Amazon product review. Today I have this Sobu diaper bag. This diaper bag is so beautiful and we have had it for about a year now and it is well used, well loved, and I'm gonna show you some of my favorite features about it. First, obviously the look, this beautiful pink color, this quilted look here, the gold accents and zippers on everything. That's what made me love this bag before I even got it. But I have to show you how much room it has in it because we have two little ones, so we keep 2 kids worth of things in here. We tote this around every day, so I want to show you some features. First, we have this small little zipper pocket here. We have 2 big pockets on the side, which we like to use for sippy cups and bottles. We have clips where you can clip car keys or glass cleaners or whatever you want to clip here. Obviously around the back we have a big pocket back here which has a changing pad in it, which we love too. These really cushiony straps, they're adjustable, they hook right on, super comfortable to wear. And then we have a handle at the top, and let me just open this up for you. This has all of our stuff in it. I know you can look online and see pictures of it empty, but I wanted to show you what we fit in it on a regular basis. These are magnet closures, so it's easy to just pop right open. Once you do, you'll see we have another zipper compartment here. We like to use this one for bibs when we're out and about. Then you have a drawstring here, and that's how you access everything. You can always, of course, leave the drawstring undone or leave the magnets undone. Nothing has fallen out for us, regardless of what we do. But inside, we have the brand label there. We have a big back zipper area, which is what we use for dirty items. And then we have a big pocket here, which is where we like to keep our diapers and wipes. Down in here, we keep extra clothes, toys, bags of snacks. We have pockets in the front area in here where we have sunscreens, creams and lotions, more snacks, anything you want to fit in there. And there are even more pockets. If you look down in each side has more pockets in it. There are just so many pockets. And it holds so much stuff. Again, to close it, you would just pull the drawstring, flip the magnets back, and that's that. So this is a really big diaper bag that is compact. So it holds a lot of stuff, but it doesn't take up a ton of room. It fits great on your back. It's comfortable and it looks beautiful. So I highly recommend this.